DQ200 Transmission Control Unit Assembly, Disassembly and Installation Tutorial. Disassembly process. 1. Park the vehicle. Shift to P. Park. Engage the handbrake. 2. Turn on ignition. Do not start engine. Connect the vehicle diagnostic tool and ensure proper communication with the car. 3. Operate the diagnostic scanner. Navigate to System List. Select Transmission Electronics. Enter basic settings. Choose Set to Neutral Position. Click OK. Wait for the operation to complete correctly, then turn off the ignition. 4. Open the engine hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait for more than 5 minutes. 5. Unplug the electrical connector from the transmission control unit J743. Remove the wiring bracket bolts. Then secure and bundle the harness upward. 6. Remove the drain plug at the bottom of the transmission and place a container to collect the old fluid. Once fully drained, tighten the drain plug to 30 Nm. 7. Detach the clutch lever dusty cover. Carefully pull out the transmission input speed sensor G641. 8. Insert the tool between the transmission housing and 2 clutch levers. Align the tools band with the transmission rib. 9. Rotate T10407 to the left until the levers are fully retracted and locked. 10. Loosen all mounting bolts in a crisscross pattern. Lift and slide out the unit horizontally, warning, avoid excessive movement to prevent damage to gear sensor probes. Installation preparation. 1. Clean the probe of the gearbox input speed sensor G641. Check the operation conditions of the pins of the electrical plug of the transmission control unit assembly and clean them. 2. Clean the dirt at the junction between the gearbox housing and the transmission control unit. Clean the iron dust absorbed by the magnet at different gears. Inspect the wear conditions of the shift forks and check whether the gear shifting process is normal. Keep all shift forks in the N gear. Each shift fork has 3 positions, and they should stay in the middle position. Software program backup. 1. Please connect the TCU according to the pin definitions of the reading and writing device. After successful communication is established, enter the main interface. Select Connect item bar and click Connect for connection. The communication progress is shown in the left status interface until successful appears, indicating 100% completion of communication process. 2. Select Read item bar and click Full Backup for connection. The program backup status is shown in the left status interface until 100% completion of backup process. The signal light remains on when the device operates normally. Check the signal light to determine if the program backup process is normal. 3. After program backup is completed, a prompt window will pop up showing Save ECU file. Click Save Backup Only to save the copied program file. 4. Return to the main interface and select Connect item bar. Click Disconnect to disconnect the device. In the left status interface, you can see that the disconnection is successful after the reading and writing device is disconnected from the TCU. Software program writing. 1. Reconnect the new TCU that requires programming. Once communication is established, enter the main interface and select the Write tab. Click Full Backup. A pop-up window, Upload a file, Full Backup will appear. Click Select Folder. Navigate to the backup file in the Downloads folder on the D drive. Double-click to open the file, then click Send File. Monitor the progress under the status panel on the left until it reaches 100% success. 2. Select the Connect tab and click Disconnect. Verify successful disconnection in the status panel before unplugging the programming device from the TCU. 3. After completing the new TCU programming, use the VW Factory Diagnostic Tool. Access Transmission Control Unit. Select Diagnostic Functions. Measured Values. Under Measurement Module Position, enter 41 and click Apply, then click right arrow to check the Measured Value Name column. If the newly written program appears, the TCU programming was successful. Installation process. 1. Remove the filling plug next to the exhaust port and use a funnel to fill oil into the transmission control unit. After filling, please tighten the oil filling plug with a standard torque of 5 Nm plus 90 degrees. 2. Adjust the extension length of the gear shifting actuator push rod of the new transmission control unit assembly to 25 mm. 3. Before installation, make sure that the seal of the transmission control unit assembly J743 is fully adhered to the groove, and the auxiliary guide pin T10406 is installed. 4. Install the transmission control unit assembly and the fixing bolts. Pre-tighten all fixing bolts alternately with a torque of 10 Nm. 5. Rotate the assembly rod T10407 clockwise slowly and remove it. 6. Install the gearbox input speed sensor G641. 7. Install the dust-proof cover of the dual clutch engagement rod with a standard torque of 8 Nm. 8. Remove the gearbox fan cap and fill oil with a specialized filling tool. After filling, reinstall the gearbox fan cap. Matching process. Using the diagnostic equipment, select the vehicle brand and click OK. Access the Systems and Functions interface. Enter guided functions. Verify that the basic vehicle information is correct, then click Start. Select Transmission Electronics and click the Guided Functions button on the side to enter. Choose Transmission Control System 7-speed 0AM and click OK. Select the Transmission Control System. Enter basic settings and ensure all prerequisite conditions are met as prompted. Click Continue to proceed to the Select Basic Settings screen. Choose Complete Basic Settings and follow the on-screen instructions to satisfy all conditions. Click Continue to advance through subsequent steps until the matching procedure is fully completed.